Wind and wildfire are major threats to the agriculture community out on Colorado's plains. News 5's Bill Folsom caught up with one ranching family dealing with the wind damage today and keeping watch for fire tonight.
It is blowing so hard out here in eastern El Paso County, I had to tie my camera to a fence post to shoot this. There's the red flag warnings making ranchers nervous. At the same time, the wind is causing damage.
We had about 50, 60 mile an hour winds out of the south, turned this shed into a parachute.
It snaps a post and bends a fence behind it. The wind's still blowing, so the job of uprighting the shed can't wait for another day. Major bolts go in to counter the power of the wind.
We got her flipped back over and getting it anchored good for south wind as well.
Just across the field, a windmill damaged by wind also needs repair.
Something that is literally built for the wind, and we had one just shear off this morning.
Wind damage is the lesser of two concerns. Here at the Colorado Horse Rescue Network, escalated wildfire risk from wind is top of the mind.
And this is the worst fire danger we've ever had over winter. We've seen no moisture.
There are too many horses and other ranch animals to transport quickly. It means evacuation is not the only emergency plan they consider.
Grass fires out here are so bad, and they're moving so quickly. I mean, you've got to have somebody home all the time.
Fire can move 50 miles an hour across the prairie.
Defend the area that we've got. We're going to put the disc on the tractor. We're going to create fire breaks.
Fire risk warnings are taken seriously among ranchers.
You know, you have to take as many safety precautions as possible to prevent any sort of spark, and hope that all of your neighbors are doing the same.
It is today, and concern out here continues through the rest of the week. In El Paso County, Bill Folsom, News 5.